In customer service at McWane Ductile, I process customer purchase orders. We handle accounts for distributors and contractors.
We do logistics, so we not only plan their transportation, but we also, I build a truck. So I build trucks, not physically, but I manage to lay them out.
We want to get as much material as we can on a truck to benefit the customer, to make sure that they get all the material that they need. The customer service role here is unique because we have long-term relationships with our customers.
I have a personal relationship with most of my customers. I know more about them than just where they work. I know about their families, what's going on in their lives, and I think that's a different perspective for customer service in today's world. It's not artificial intelligence, it's not dealing with someone in another country. You're dealing with someone, a human being on the other end of the line who's here to help you.
It's important to establish a personal relationship so that they know that when they need to get a hold of you for any material or issues, that they know that they can rely on you.
Definitely. Yes, he did ask me to have those at the guardhouse. I will have those ready.
Going home at the end of the day and knowing that the customer has been taken care of, that is important. It is a good way to end your day.